July 6th. Here's what moved. Sponsors / sindresorhus is trending on GitHub. 352 stars today. DeepSeek V4 Flash holds number 1 on OpenRouter. 9 cents per million tokens. MIMO, V2.5 in second at 10 cents. Sourcegraph.cody-ai downloads down 50% this week. Openai Api is degraded per the vendor's status page. GPT-4o mini climbed 5 ranks from 25th to 20th. At Anthropic AI / SDK on NPM, down 30%. New research, WorldDirector, building controllable world simulators with persistent dynamic memory. New research, alignment is all you need for X to 4D generation. GitHub.copilot on vscode, downloads down 48%. Codeium.codeium on vscode, downloads down 39%. That's the briefing. Every number links to its source. Gawk.dev.